Okay, doing a 3 video here. 312s. They're on my kicker kx1200.1. I'm guessing they're running at 1 ohm. I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna do a video. I'll be playing some VME Click by Little John. Pretty good song for bass. It's been overplayed a bunch, but it's a good song to show your system. That. It's about pretty hot there. Got my switch down there. Turn on and off. Got my stockhead unit here. Pretty hard. They're all for sale for $200. Just do a little overview of them. That's about it. The 312s back there. Crunch ground pounders. Don't underestimate them. Whoop some ass. That's about it. So let me know what y'all think. Thanks.